Alright, listen up, because today's combo isn't just for seniors, it's for anyone who's tired of low energy, weak immunity, dull skin, or aching joints. Whether you're 25 or 65, this simple drink can reset your entire system from the inside out. We're talking about a combo that recharges your muscles, cleans your liver, heals inflammation, strengthens your heart, sharpens your mind, smooths your digestion, and brightens your skin, all at once. Sounds impossible? Wait till you see what's inside. Orange peel powder plus curcumin plus milk. That's it, 3 ingredients, 1 explosive formula. The same orange peel you throw away every day? It's actually loaded with natural vitamin C, calcium, and bioflavonoids that repair cells, kill toxins, and awaken your immune system. Curcumin, the golden healer, goes deeper, fighting inflammation, protecting your liver, and boosting circulation so nutrients reach every corner of your body. And when these two meet in warm milk, your body absorbs them. 1 cup of this drink daily can strengthen immunity and digestion, heal inflammation and joint pain, rebuild muscle and skin cells, detox the liver naturally, improve heart health and brain focus, and even calm your mood and sleep. This isn't just a drink, it's a natural body reset. So stay right here, because in the next few minutes, you'll see exactly why this works, how to make it, and the perfect time to drink it for full body recovery. Alright, let's start breaking down this powerful combo, piece by piece. And first up, orange peel powder. Now, it's the part that holds the most real nutrition inside the fruit. See, the juicy part that we eat? That's the sweet surface. But the peel? That's where nature stored the defense system of the fruit, the compounds that protect it from bacteria, UV rays, and decay. And when you consume it, you're borrowing that same defense system for your own body. Orange peel powder contains nearly 3 times more vitamin C than the fruit pulp. That means it's a total collagen booster, keeping your skin firm, your joints flexible, and your muscles repairing faster. For seniors, this is gold, because low collagen is what makes knees hurt, skin sag, and muscles weaken. But wait, there's more. That orange zest you smell? It's not just fragrance, it's full of limonene, a compound proven to support the liver, calm inflammation, and even neutralize harmful toxins from the food we eat daily. It's your body's natural detox switch. And here's something very few people know, orange peel also has hesperidin and naringin. These are bioflavonoids that directly protect your heart and blood vessels. They improve circulation, reduce stiffness in arteries, and even help keep blood pressure in balance. So if you wake up with heavy legs or sluggish energy, this peel might quietly start fixing that from within. And digestion? It's a game changer. Just a teaspoon of orange peel powder daily can reduce acidity, control bloating, and help your gut absorb proteins and minerals more efficiently. That's the real reason you start feeling light yet energetic at the same time. So how do you use it? Simple. Take sun-dried orange peels, grind them finely, and store the powder in a dry jar. Now let's talk about curcumin. It's like a fire extinguisher for your body. It cools down the hidden inflammation fires that cause pain, swelling, and fatigue. Just a small pinch with warm milk or healthy fat helps it absorb better. Soon you'll notice less joint pain, smoother movement, and lighter energy. Curcumin also boosts your blood flow, strengthens your immunity, and even makes your skin glow. And when it combines with orange peel powder, your body's detox power doubles. Now let's talk about milk. 1 glass gives you around 8 grams of protein, 300 milligrams of calcium, B12, potassium, and if it's fortified, some vitamin D2. It helps repair muscles, keeps your joints strong, supports your heart and nervous system, and warm milk even relaxes your body and improves sleep. When you mix milk with orange peel and curcumin, you get a single glass packed with protein, vitamins, and antioxidants, a complete combo that boosts your muscles, skin, joints, heart, and immunity. How to take it? Take 1 full teaspoon of orange peel powder. Add half a teaspoon of pure curcumin, turmeric extract. Mix both into 1 glass of warm milk, not boiling, just pleasantly warm. Stir it well. You can add a drop of honey or a pinch of black pepper if you like. It helps absorption and adds smoothness. Drink it slowly before bed, like a calm night ritual. That's when your body enters its natural repair mode. Taking it at night helps your muscles relax, your liver detoxify, and your cells rebuild while you sleep. Do this daily for at least 15 to 20 days, and you'll feel the difference building up quietly inside your body. The overall benefits. It cleanses your liver, flushing out stored toxins and old waste that make you feel heavy or tired. It calms internal inflammation, reducing joint stiffness, swelling, and everyday body aches. It strengthens your immunity, making you less vulnerable to seasonal flu, infections, and fatigue. It boosts your digestion, balancing gut bacteria and improving nutrient absorption from food. It protects your heart, lowering bad cholesterol and improving blood circulation. It relaxes your nervous system, helping you sleep deeper and wake up more refreshed. It improves skin tone and glow, giving your face a calm, healthy look. And most importantly, it slows down the cellular aging process, keeping your muscles, skin, and energy young for longer. This isn't just for seniors. Even young adults under constant stress or poor diet can feel the difference. It's like giving your body a reset button, one glass at night that works silently while you sleep.